Morning, it's Jonathan Barrett with the morning debrief. It's currently Wednesday the 2nd of November. The current time is 7:43. There's a lot of news to talk about today, there's no doubt about it. First of all, the Greece referendum. When, how, what about, who knows? Seems quite ironic that the government that basically caused the concern is now going to the people to ask for their vote of confidence. I think that to me is a little bit of an issue, and perhaps the horse has already bolted. Anyway, as a result of that, that's put markets into disarray as confidence concerning the EU's ability to stitch the plan together is starting to erode quite rapidly. As a result of that, equity markets across the world certainly came under a lot of pressure. Also concerning the MF Global concerns. We are hearing that, particularly in the States, there are concerns and some missing money. We'll certainly let people know exactly what is happening there. Concerning a lot of our clients, obviously we don't have a lot to do with MF Global. MAN's their old name. But we do quite a lot of agricultural works with the exchange. The exchange has in fact closed the market for ags. This is a concern for us, obviously if you are concerned, feel free to give me a call, and I'll certainly allay fears and also allay what is actually being done, notify you of what's being done by the exchange. Okay, so let's go into the market, and let's have a look at the world indices first. Papandreou, press on with referendum. Okay, bit of an issue. We thought that he wasn't going to do that. That he has, and in my mind, that to me is not the right way to go, particularly in handling this. Anyway, let's see how it goes. Obama's political, that's a bit there. US stocks fall amid European concern, Greece in jeopardy. We know all about that. Manufacturing US comes close to stagnating, not very good, but it's certainly there. China, inflation cooling leaves room for when to loosen credit. That should be supportive some commodities, and I think that's pretty much it. Oil declines, we know that. Crude oil declines by 90 on China manufacturing a slowdown. Okay, so yeah, all quite good, and I guess all in tune with how we've actually felt about the market of late. Okay, the most important things, there's the Dow down 2.48%, the S&P's down 2.79%, the Nasdaq's down 2.89%. The top 50 was down 125, the FTSE is down 122, the CAC's down 174. I mean, you can see that the markets are not liking exactly what happened in Greece, and we're going to have to wait. I have heard that the referendum won't be until January. So there'll be a little bit of debt there, mounting up until there. That is a crisis situation, the way I look at it, and I'm not really happy, and I don't think our good friends Sarkozy and Merkel are going to be very happy on that. Anyway, the SPY was down 61, 4,170. Have a look at some of the commodity futures, and as you can probably gather, concerns from there are a bit of an issue across the board. Energy, 108.89 for Brent. And West Texas there is trading at 91.46. That spread's now at 17.14. Can't say we didn't tell you, but that seems to be happening okay for us. Agricultural markets, cocoa down, and cocoa down quite a lot, 3.56 per metric ton. Corn was up 7.25. Wheat was up a little bit as well, 6.30. Soybeans were down 1.21%. Copper, you'd have to expect, broke through 332. 360 to me remains the pivotal point for the market, and gold down only $4 at 17.20. Looks like the market is getting a little bit of concern there on the risk side of things. As a result of that, it's actually holding up quite well, regardless of this. I mean, normally we would see equity under pressure, oil under pressure. That's okay. In this case, you know, oil, we would expect gold to come under more pressure. It's holding up really well, so I'm sort of liking that at the moment. Remember, we have got a small long on board. Now, in terms of the currencies, what have we got there? Well, currencies, there we go. Let's just grab that. Interesting to know, if you followed the tweet, we went short or long the US dollar last night, and quite happy about that. We basically picked up some good levels, which was good. And let's just try and get, I don't know, let's stuff it up. Anyway, let's move on to here. One of those things. Okay, we went long US dollars if you were following the tweet. Got some good levels in that Aussie. It's 103.32 after having quite a low last night. Really sitting on this trend line. If it breaks through here on a daily close, it starts to look higher. It looks like that US dollar will continue to firm. Momentum indicators support it moving lower. Dollar index, as we've always said, look at that bounce, 77.42. That's quite a remarkable move, and probably expect the US dollar to remain bid from here. This is a correction. That correction we've seen. If you're following the bulletin, that's exactly what we've said. So I'm quite happy about that, and probably expect to see US dollar remain relatively strong. Having a look at that Aussie, there you can see we've talked about that. That's the trend line we're going to follow. Dollar yen, expect some more form of intervention. And I basically think that from there, look, we'll wait a couple of days, but we will get some more intervention. I think you can bide your time on that, and I think that's quite good. Okay, right, let's look at the SPY. Under pressure. If it takes out this area here, 41.48, expect it down to about 4,000 again. But I think over the next couple of days that might represent good buying. Just keep close to it on that level. And let's have a quick look at the economic calendar. Economic calendar for Wednesday. Building approvals today in Australia, mortgage applications in the States, FOMC rate decision, expect no change there whatsoever. And Bernanke speaks at a press conference. Well, that's pretty much about it from me. Hope everyone has a good day. Good luck today. If anyone is concerned about what's happening with EMF Global, I'm all ears. Just give us a call and I'll certainly be able to relay what I know. But that's it. Happy trading. We'll talk to you later and bye for now.